Hello everyone, hope you're doing well. The week is finally here. You're able to submit your APA paper and presentation. So opens today, of course, you're able to submit through Sunday. Do not submit any late papers. And when I say Sunday, I mean Sunday of next week. So that would be the 5th of March. The 5th of March is the last day you could submit any papers. 5th of March, end of day. So make sure you get your paper done. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to me. Many of you already have papers done. You've already sent me drafts. They look great. I've given comments on them, so that's good. Make sure your paper is 5 pages long, and that does not include the abstract or the reference page. So make sure your body of your paper is 5 pages long. You have to have 5 scholarly sources. And some of you have reached out and said, hey, I found a .com website that I want to use. I really don't want you to use .com websites, but if you need to, that's fine. The only thing is you have to have 5 scholarly sources on top of that. So you have to have 5 other sources in addition to that non-scholarly source. Try not to quote it too much in your paper either, but I'm sure, based on what I've heard from a few students, that you've found some things that might be interesting in that regard. Don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions. I'm happy to look at your paper before you submit it and give you feedback on formatting. I can't give you feedback on how you're writing the paper, but I can on formatting, and I'm happy to give you feedback so you score good in that regard. Reach out with any questions. I look forward to reading your paper soon. Thanks so much.